The importance of collaborative documentation.
Collaborative documentation tools are essential for remote tech teams. They help organize knowledge, maintain project transparency, and ensure everyone stays informed, no matter where team members are located. By keeping information centralized and accessible, teams can avoid confusion, minimize redundant work, and quickly onboard new members. Embracing these tools empowers teams to work more efficiently across different time zones and locations.
Choosing the right documentation tool.
Selecting the best tool depends on your team's needs. Popular options include Confluence, Notion, and Google Docs, each offering unique features like real-time editing, version control, and integrations with other platforms. Evaluate how easily the tool fits into your existing workflows, supports collaboration, and protects sensitive information. User-friendly interfaces and robust search features help ensure every team member can access what they need.
Best practices for effective collaboration.
Set clear conventions for document structure and naming. Use folders, labels, and templates to keep everything organized. Regularly review and update documents to maintain accuracy. Encourage team members to comment, suggest edits, and ask questions directly within docs to streamline communication. Assign owners to key documents to ensure accountability and prevent outdated information from lingering.
Maintaining alignment across the team.
Schedule regular check-ins or reviews to discuss document updates and collect feedback. Use notifications and shared calendars to alert the team about important changes. Promote transparency by making documentation accessible to everyone and highlight critical updates during meetings. This helps all team members stay aligned, reduces misunderstandings, and builds a culture of shared responsibility.
Tips for continuous improvement.
Encourage team members to contribute ideas for improving documentation practices. Gather feedback periodically and adapt processes as the team grows or technologies change. Take advantage of tutorials and training resources to boost your team's proficiency with the chosen tools. By prioritizing collaboration and continuous learning, remote tech teams can optimize their documentation for ongoing success.